Hey G12, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool Amazon right here, and basically what this is a Japanese chef knife. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the package looks like. So I'm actually take out the wrapper first and then we'll open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So I'm going to take this part out and then I just want to open it up. Once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So they provide guys a little booklet to tell you guys everything that's included from this brand. Right here they provide guys a little cover that's used to put the knife in. And I'll show you guys how to use this in a second. And then right underneath that, we do have the actual chef knife right here. So you can see it's all well protected. But let's take off the protection layer here first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. If you see the way how they designed this chef knife is pretty high quality. They actually have a very nice design on the actual chef knife. And then the way how they design the handle part actually looks and feels pretty nice. You guys can definitely get a pretty good grip when you guys do grip it. And when you guys look at it from this angle, you can definitely see how sharp the knife is. And if you guys are curious about the material that they use on here, they tell you guys that information right here. And they also have the brand logo there as well. If you see the way how they designed the chef knife is a little bit different than your typical chef knife in terms of the way how they designed the shape. But when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it is a high quality material. So whether if you guys want to use it for chopping stuff or slicing stuff, you guys can definitely use it how you guys want to. So right here we do have a piece of paper. If you guys cut through it, you guys kind of see how sharp the actual knife is. So whether if you guys want to use it for like cutting, maybe like vegetable, meat, or seafood, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. So this is what the product looks like on this side. If you guys turn on to the other side, this is what actually looks like on the other side right here. So I'm not sure if you can see the design that's on here, but definitely looks pretty cool, the way how they design it. And then the way how you guys use the cover is actually pretty easy. You guys want to grip it in the middle and kind of just slide it in just like this. You don't want to hold it at the end because you might poke through it. So you don't go all the way. And that should be good. And that way you guys do have the protection for the knife and you don't have to worry about hurting yourself or anything when you guys do use it. If you guys want to take it out, you basically want to hold the middle part and kind of slightly open it up the top part. Just like that. And just pull it out really easily. And that is basically how you guys use the cover. And over time when you guys use this more and more, it'll be easier for you guys to slide it in and out. But for the first time using it, it might be a little bit harder for you guys to push it in. But that's not a bad thing. But that is basically what the product looks like. If you guys remember in the past, I actually reviewed another one from this brand that's very similar. And I actually have it right here. So let's open it up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So you see inside right here, everything is basically the same thing. They provide guys like the user manual to give you guys introduction about their knives. And then right underneath that, we do have the actual knife itself. So right here is basically what the product looks like. You can see it basically looks the same way. They give you guys the cover and the actual knife. But when you guys take it out, this is what the chef knife looks like. So for this one, it's also a chef knife, but slightly different design in terms of shape. But everything in terms of the material that's on here is basically the same thing. They've actually got the other one to put it side by side. So here is basically what the product looks like side by side. So you can see the size difference and also the design is slightly different. And both of them are chef knife, but the top one right here, I think it's better for you guys to use it for like chopping or slicing, whereas the bottom one is more for slicing. So depending on what you guys are planning to use it for, that is how you guys determine which one to get. But both of them are pretty good for its own way. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys are trying to look for a high quality chef knife that's only for slicing, or if you guys want one that you guys can use for slicing and dicing or chopping stuff, then I would have to say the other one's much more worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.